Washing machine does not start when I put the lid down. Will eventually start after much lid slamming.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry today. May I have the full model number and brand of your machine, please?
Simpson Esprit 550. Simpson Esprit 550.
Hi Zoe, if you raise the lid, you will notice on the right-hand side there is a hinge, but none on the left-hand side. When you close the lid, the hinge swings up and pushes against a lever which activates the lid switch for this machine. Stick your hand up under there and feel for a rotating knob on the end of the lever that the hinge pushes against. You can screw the knob and adjust just how sensitive the switch is. You want to hear the lid switch clicking about 1 to 2 cms before the lid is fully closed. Okay, so basically, turn the knob 3 times in one direction and see if this helps. If not, go back the other way 4 to 5 turns and try again. I can't remember which way exactly it is, and I'm not at work right now so I can't check for you either, but this is all you need to do. This is all you need to do regarding the lid hinge engaging the lever properly. Okay, little bit of mucking around, but you will get it eventually if you are patient and persistent. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41141.9909882292.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.